Today at Lot 8 Paragon, the flooring is being installed. This is a number 1 grade white oak. Just get a little close up here. Looks very good. It's a nice deck on the first floor and above the walkout basement in the back here. This flooring will get a natural finish. It's called Poly Wave by Vermont Coatings. Very low VOC, low smell. As you can see, the drywall is all done here. This is the scent. There's a nice wood burning fireplace here. There's 2 stories in this house. 3 bathrooms. 4 bedrooms. Like I said, there's a full basement here. Here you can see an extra laundry room that was added.